Hi, I'm Roxana from WPResidence, and today we're diving into something super useful for your WPResidence site. The search form builder versus the theme advanced search. These both help your users find properties, but they're built for different use cases. First, let's clarify what we are comparing. This is a search form created with a search form builder, and this is a search form that can be managed from the WPResidence theme options. Both tools let visitors search properties, but how and where you build them is totally different. The search form builder widget can be used only on pages created with Elementor. This means that you build and place the search anywhere using Elementor. This is a page created with Elementor, and this is the search form builder widget. You have great drag and drop control, so you can add it anywhere in a page with drag and drop. You have flexibility in setting the widget because you can manage all settings in the widget directly. You'll have the option to enable tabs with property taxonomies. You can set here the fields for the search. You can manage search button settings. In style, you can make settings for the search form design. You'll have options for the tabs, for fields, and for the button. And also in advanced, you will have the Elementor layout settings. Because it's Elementor powered, it's ideal for custom pages, unique layouts, or landing pages where design matters. Now let's look at the theme advanced search. The functionality of this search is built in the theme core. You can enable or disable the search display in a page, global from theme options or custom from the backend of the page. To manage advanced search settings custom per page, you'll need to scroll down to appearance options, and under advanced search you can enable or disable the search and set the search position in the media header. Also, the theme advanced search will show only on theme media headers. So for the header media type, you will need to select the hero media type that you want in the page. Regardless if you set the theme advanced search display custom in the page or globally from theme options, all settings for this search type need to be managed in theme options. Under search, you'll have all settings available. Under advanced search display, you'll have the global option to display or not the theme advanced search. In the same section, you can set the position of the theme advanced search in the page. You can set it to be sticky before header media or use it in float position. Under advanced search form, you'll have 8 search types available to choose from. You'll just need to select the type of the search that you want to display on front end, and next you'll have the option to set price slider, to set the fields and other settings for the theme advanced search. You can set the number of search fields and how many fields will be displayed per row, and below you can set the fields that will be seen in the advanced search form. The settings here will not affect the search form builder for Elementor and will apply only for the theme advanced search. This form functionality is built in the theme. It is suitable if you want to use default layouts. You can use it as shortcode in page content or as widget in page sidebars. Think of this as a search you pick and enable, not design from scratch. Here are some easy guidelines. Use the search form builder when you need to create a custom landing page with unique layout and when you want to have full visual control. And use the theme advanced search when you want standard search settings across the site and you do not need custom layouts. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.